This is E2 Lighting's C2103 vapor type fixture with emergency battery backup and Wattage tunable switch and color temperature tunable switch. It also has a button here to test the emergency battery backup system. Inside the vapor tight, you can see that it has the wattage tunable switch and the color temperature tunable switch, and it goes between 3K, 4K, and 5K, and the wattage switches between 30 watts, 40 watts, and 50 watts. When wiring the fixture, you need to have a wire for the fixture's neutral, hot, ground, and then there's a load coming from the driver, but if you want it in an always-on configuration, you would connect it to this black wire coming out of the battery that will have a cap on it. If you want it to be connected to a wall switch, you would insert a wall switch here at this connection. At this end of the battery, there's another connector which allows you to turn the battery system on or off by separating this connection or reestablishing it. It also comes with its assortment of hardware for mounting and for extra screws for the inside of the fixture. When wiring the vapor type fixture, you can see that it has two connectors, this one coming from the driver, this one coming from the battery, the ground, and then another orange cap wire coming from the battery. This wire coming from the driver will be connected to the orange cap wire, and this one will be connected to the lines coming in, the hot and the neutral and the ground. As you can see here, has the hot coming in, the neutral, and the ground. And then this connector coming from the driver is connected to the orange capped wire that was coming from the battery. When setting the different parameters of the fixture, you can just push the switch over from 3K to 4K to 5K, and from 30 watt to 40 watt to 50 watt, or any other configuration that you like. Also, this fixture is equipped with an emergency battery backup test button, which you can use to test the system to make sure that the battery is operating correctly.